so here's another example. This is the third video I record today, and they haven't recorded, so we'll see if this one records. Alright, let's go to the next one. E. I want you to go ahead and please draw your lines for domain on E. Then I'm going to walk around and check what you have. Draw the domain lines for E. Where the graph takes up space, just like if you were cropping a picture, where would you crop? On E, yeah, that one. On this one right here. Yeah. And then, so let me walk around and check what you got. Okay, this one looks kind of like a little bit tricky, but if you draw a line right here, right, what do you see there? Circle the arrow, please. So if you have an arrow, does that mean it's open or closed? Open. Arrows mean, please write this down. Please write this down. Arrows means it keeps going. It never stops. That line, it's going to keep going, and it's never going to stop. The only problem is the plain stop, but it's going to keep going and going and going and going and going. It doesn't stop at -6. It's going to keep going. So because it's going to keep going and it's open, you make a dotted line. Fix that. If you didn't make a dotted line, just go ahead and put a dotted line. Because it's an arrow, it's not going to stop there. It's going to be making a dotted line. Everybody have that? Now on the other side, you have the same thing again. An arrow, so then again, dotted. Questions? So, because it keeps going, do you know what the symbol is for something that goes on forever in math? Yes. So write that down. Anytime you have an arrow, you're not putting a number here. You're putting the infinity symbol. Have you seen the tattoos that people get that they're in love? You know what I'm talking about? They put little, you know? Or they sell earrings. They sell the bracelets. They sell the earrings, the necklaces. Infinity, because it means forever. It means that your love goes on forever for somebody. Alright, so this side here, it's the x, right? What are these x's? Are they positive or negative? So this side is negative infinity. And on this side it's positive. Because these numbers are positive, so this is positive infinity. This is negative infinity. Yeah, that 8 that looks like it's on the side is infinity. Alright, so because it's infinity, it's always going to be open. It's always going to be less than. Anytime you have arrow, it's going to be open because the number keeps going. Alright? Does that make sense? Alright, let's do domain. Let's do range. Okay, what letter is range, Luis? What letter is range? Yes, but what letter? Help him out, Pan. Don't help him out, Pan. Y. Range is Y. Domain comes first, and the alphabet X comes first. Alright, then you always put less than, less than. Okay, draw the lines for range. 10. Draw the lines for range. 9. Draw the lines for range. 9, 8, 7. Range. Range. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I should see one up here. But that's not where you start. You start down here. Because it's an arrow, do I stop here? No. So I want you to write it in 10. Go ahead and write the range on your paper. I'm going to come around and check your paper. Write the range. You start down here. Arrows here, so what does that mean? Infinity. Why infinity? Because you have an arrow, not the number. It keeps going, Oscar. So, are these numbers negative or positive? Negative infinity. Who got that correct? Okay. The other number, it doesn't stop there. It stops up here. What number is that? Now, if it's infinity, no, there's no arrow. It's just 5. So, my question for you, is infinity open or closed? Open, because it keeps going and going and going. It never, infinity means that the numbers keep going and going, so it's not going to stop somewhere. 5, does it actually stop at 5? Yes, because there's no open circle. Hold on. Okay, yes, thank you. So it should be closed. Raise your hand if you got that one right. Okay, keep your journal. We're going to practice.